How to download live wallpaper on Redmi 13. So first of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Magic Fluids. Now install this Magic Fluid app, and after installing, click on open. Now after opening the app, click on this menu icon, and from here click on settings. Now from here you can choose wallpaper that you want to use, and from the pop-up click on yes. Now you can test this live wallpaper, and after testing click on this cross icon, and then again click on this menu icon, and then click on set as live wallpaper. Now from the pop-up click on yes, and after that click on set wallpaper. Now from here you can select home screen or home screen and lock screen both, and after selecting, the wallpaper will be applied. So now you can see the wallpaper is applied. So that's how you can download live wallpaper on Redmi 13. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.